Hello class, welcome to week 6. This is actually my favorite week of the course. This is the week we'll be looking at communication. One thing I like to say in my communication courses is that effective communication, which is basically everyone understanding what you're saying, actually equals confidence. So being able to effectively communicate will help you feel more confident. And this week we'll actually, for the assignment, be working on writing emails. Now that sounds kind of like, well, why do I need to do that? But writing an effective email to your instructor or student advisor or anybody really in the future really helps you feel confident when you're reaching out. Many times you'll have questions, but you're kind of unsure of what to say or how to say it. This week is to really help you understand how to do that. So if you need questions or have tips or anything, feel free to reach out to me because I'd be excited to help you. Now this week, it's really important to remember, I've been talking about it every week, but next week you will have to have a meeting with your student advisor. That can be done now and start preparing. That is for the week 7 assignment. You'll be working on a full schedule, so all the courses you'll be taking. So preparing now, meeting now will really help you not feel overwhelmed next week. Because next week you also have the final exam. I know that's kind of silly, it's in week 7, but that's to help you not feel overwhelmed in week 8. And the final exam will be on everything we've covered up to this point. So making notes like we've been studying will really help you feel prepared. And then of course, I give tips on using the supplemental material folder. Each week I try to give you a template or a guide to kind of help you with the assignments because I know formatting and making sure you have everything that's needed can be sometimes challenging. So I hope all that stuff has been helpful. And then for this week, of course, you'll read Chapter 4. I recommend to read your syllabus to see what parts of Chapter 4 to read, and then watch the video lectures. I definitely recommend watching those before you start the discussions or assignments, because that can kind of give you more details of what we read about, and it kind of helps things to click. And then, of course, you'll have your discussion posts as each week, and then your assignment, this is my favorite assignment on communication case studies. This is just how to effectively communicate when writing an email, so making sure you have a subject line. I know a lot of times a lot of students will put everything in the subject line, but making sure to put, clear what it's about, and then the details, stuff like that. This is really fun. This is a good practice to kind of help with communicating, which you'll be doing a lot when you take online classes. And then, of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and I would be happy to help. Good luck this week.